Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of forestry machinery. From roaring chainsaws to powerful mowers, every video showcases the raw power and precision of these incredible machines. Start the engine and get started. Observe the harmony between man and machine in this display of forestry prowess. Ursus C330 is a testament to Polish technology with amazing effectiveness. The synchronization between driver and machine demonstrates the long-term partnership between humans and mechanical innovation, helping to complete tasks perfectly. Towing a cart carrying giant tree trunks is not a simple challenge, requiring close coordination between people and machines. The power of the tractor and the ingenuity of the operator work together to overcome all obstacles, making the seemingly impossible task a reality. Check out their 2015 second home shipped through Sioux Falls to replace a dilapidated home in the Whittier neighborhood. Given the giantness of windmills, trucks need axles to be able to easily transport them. Cheer for the car when it goes downhill. They turn the ordinary excavator into a real lumbering beast, like a monster truck in racing. But instead of crushing cars, it cuts through giant logs as if cut avocado. The Midwest was hit with a record-breaking blizzard. 20 inches of snow fell in the Chicago area. Snow plows are operating at this time. What a great place to witness one of the largest equipment moves in Alberta history. The journey begins along 51st Avenue near 91st Street. How many wheels do you have on that trailer? Oh my God, if a trailer is this big, then imagine how big a full trailer would be. For example, when transporting wind turbine blades, each about 120 feet long, careful planning is required to adjust the route and use the appropriate support equipment. Use MS-251C, caught up, cut the oak tree, then transport it by Kubota BX25. So effective. The powerful chainsaw helps fell trees quickly, while the BX25 skillfully moves tree trunks, turning heavy work into light work. The result is a clean, satisfying area. Tractor 5 288IH. Getting stuck in mud can be quite a difficult situation, but when used 5610 Ford tractor to recover, things can change. They were successful. What a great performance. Woodcutters at this time were like artists. Before starting work, the Japanese lumberjack in Kyoto prayed, a traditional beauty that shows respect for nature. He is chopping down a giant tree, and can you believe that this tree is better 200 years old? When you watch this video, you will see the tree cutting process is very technical, powerful, but also extremely respectful. Cutting down a tree near your home requires careful consideration and careful planning to ensure the tree falls in the right direction and without causing damage. It's so satisfying to see a tree fall perfectly, each branch and leaf falling gently without touching anything. Have you ever seen Carlton 6016 working yet? This stump cutter is like a monster when facing stubborn tree stumps. Just start it up. The sharp cutting disc will quickly grind the stump into mulch, leaving a surprisingly clean surface. They turned the ordinary excavator into a real lumbering beast, like a monster truck in racing. But instead of crushing cars, it cuts through giant logs as if cut avocado. Tractor 5288IH is the perfect solution for easily removing tree stumps. With outstanding power and flexible operation, this tractor can handle stubborn tree stumps quickly and save effort. With powerful pressure from the hydraulic system, the grinding roller rotates with each beat, crushing the wood as if it were a fragile material.
What's going to happen to the Democrats in the 2020 election. Loggers for Trump.
Effects domino burns trees. This is amazing. Visualize the trees falling in a succession, like giant dominoes collapsing. The synchronization and strength of each falling tree trunk is like a dramatic and impressive performance. The 2022 Carlton SP 6016 with a 54 horsepower Kubota engine and Green Teeth 900 series teeth demonstrated incredible power when tackling tree stumps just about 3 feet from the garage wall and windows. To be on the safe side, I use start mats to protect the gutters, walls, and glass from damage from flying wood chips. The effect is amazing, and the wood smell after grinding is also very pleasant. Excavators are a typical example of engineering. With ripper attachment is meticulously designed to cut through tree roots with minimal resistance. The hydraulic system provides unparalleled power, helping to uproot large tree stumps with ease. This excavator highlights how modern technology is transforming forestry operations, improving both efficiency and precision on the job. The roar of the chainsaw, each sharp cut cuts through the hard wood, and when the oak tree falls, it is a finished work. Wait for this moment. I see this guy as a lumberjack superhero, like Paul Bunyan with his chainsaw. My grandfather was also a lumberjack, and he would have been impressed to hear the saying, "Give a man a good axe, and he can conquer the world." This guy is conquering the forest, not only with strength, but also with dexterity and determination. The Kubota BX25D is amazing at removing tree stumps with ease. I really enjoy seeing big jobs handled neatly by such a compact machine. Its performance and versatility cannot be underestimated. Although this excavator is compact, it exhibits incredible strength and durability. The bucket arm diligently digs up the soil around the base little by little, while the rear wheel still stubbornly holds on. The giant tree stump, with roots as long as outstretched arms, is certainly not easily conquered. However, this is also a reminder of the intelligent coordination between tools and human strength. If the stump is too large, incorporating more powerful machinery or applying another treatment such as a root saw may be a wiser choice. Mayor SLH truly a game changer. Previously, peeling wood was a heavy job, but now with this monster, everything becomes easy. It can handle logs up to 1.2 meters. Thick bark with surgically precise adjustment head ensures the bark is peeled perfectly every time.